The very best way that you can determine what the correct electrode force is to use a device to be able to tell what that force is at the electrode. We have a digital force gauge and we also have an analog force gauge. Both of those read the force at the electrode. That's where you need to determine what is the correct force for the weld that you're doing. And so being able to determine that force is going to determine what the rest of the components are, or the recipe for your weld schedule. So knowing what the force is at the electrodes, that's what's going to be most important.